Here's the app called Zen Color, Color by Number. Very popular app, kind of coloring app. Is the first coloring game inspired by Zen. Relax and calm by this paid by number game. Free yourself from daily boredom and house and find your inner peace. Experience real tranquility with Zen Color, the first coloring game inspired by Zen. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the ultimate relaxing and fulfilling gaming experience. Let go of your worries, forget your stress, and finally put your mind at ease by immersing yourself in the world of Zen coloring. Escape from daily grind and chaos of life. So yeah, imagine sipping a cup of coffee in the morning, the birds chirping outside the window, a tea break. Transport yourself to a Japanese Zen courtyard, feeling as one of this everything around you is watching the steaming teapot by yourself. So it's kind of like a meditation / coloring app. Really cool, trendy app. And there are a bunch of other color by number apps. You can allow notifications. Then there are different categories. There is calm, there is then, there is focus, there is affection. Let's just start with something kind of more simple. So here you have colors, and you just have then try to find a number, and then just tap on that number. Tap on it, and you feel this color. It's quite easy to find because the number you're looking for it's just has this kind of like just square. You see in the bottom the background circle, kind of transparent like background, and then you just tap on it or not, and then you're just going through here. It's super nice. It's super relaxing. And it doesn't require from you a lot of mental energy to find it, so it's not like some Sudoku game or something like that. And you see that it's kind of calming, reflected and then you just go number by number, so it's super easy. You can also enable like kind of transparent background music in the top right, and then it's very easy to find. But yeah, sometimes it can become a bit more complicated because these colors can become like super small. So when you have like this super small, so it's very addictive, if you're using it can be hard to find actually. So you need to zoom in and try to find it. So that's where you have. That's why this app is kind of viral. So you can just find these 3 suggestions in the top which you can use for free. And yeah, then you can just continue like that. So super cool. Nice. And some images can be also really nice. So you're just going through that. If you tap on the wrong number, enjoying your time. It's not working. So that's very easy. So it doesn't require a lot of this app, and you don't even need to create an account from you. And so you're doing this for free. Relaxing. And then if you want to save your progress, just create an account. Sometimes though you need to. Here, as you can see, I just can't find it, so you just need to tap go and find suggestion, and then this is where you have to. It will be suggested for you. You have so sometimes you need really to zoom in and try to find it. And that's the idea, and then you can see the bigger image and. So here it is, and then you have in here, you have your settings. You can enable music, disable music, vibration. You need to sign in to save your progress, but you can just use it even without an account, which is quite nice. And then there are like daily challenges. You can do it every day, and then there is like achievements. So really nice app. If you're looking for color by number app, I think this is one of the top ones.